Make a wing sauce recipe. Accompany your boneless buffalo wings with a wing sauce recipe that lingers to your taste bud for that exciting twist. Although the key here is finding your personal preference in every wing sauce recipe, a lot of versions have surfaced. Making your own recipe involves a lot of adjustment in your part. But the perfect arrangement will make your eating experience one of a kind. Here are some ways to make your own wing sauce recipe. Decide what kind of flavor and the degree of mildness you are looking for. There are a number of bases you can use for your sauce. The choice of your base is very important because this will greatly affect your recipe's flavor. Some examples of ordinary base sauces are Frank's Red Hot, Louisiana Hot Sauce, Texas Pete, Cholula Hot Sauce, and Tabasco. If you are opting for an uncommon twist in flavor, here are some bases for that: Bee Sting Sweet Chili Sauce, Barack Obama Hot Sauce, Anchor Bar Hot Sauce, and Golden Heat Peach Dessert Hot Sauce. Ready your base. Measure at least a cup of your base sauce. Heat a saucepan and pour it gradually. Cook in slow heat while you add some ingredients. Pick out the other ingredients for your recipe. Butter can make a lot of difference on your sauce's mildness. It can be substituted by margarine. Make sure the butter is cold and in a solid bar. Cut a bar of butter or margarine into blocks about half the size of the matchbox. This will allow you to measure the amount of butter you have added in satisfying your taste. Add a block and then taste. Decide whether you need to add more butter to make your sauce milder. Once you have reached the right level of mildness, take note of how many butter blocks you have used. Add some brown sugar to your recipe. This follows the same recipe as that of the butter blocks. Start with the smallest amount you can add and work your way up in amount through taste testing. Start with 1/8 of a cup. Take note of the amount of sugar you have used. Mince some garlic and keep it refrigerated until it is time for you to add it. Start with a teaspoon. Keep on adding bit by bit until you have tasted your desired arrangement. Take note of the amount of garlic you have used. Add some additional ingredients to make the taste of your sauce stronger. You can add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Place the mixture in medium heat. Constantly stir it to avoid burning. You will notice a change in color. This will signal you to turn off the heat. Let it sit for about 30 minutes with the pan covered. Serve the sauce and try it on your buffalo wings. Searching for the perfect wing sauce recipe involves a number of trials and errors. You need patience and meticulous listing of recipe ingredients and measurements. After all, a perfect sauce can make or break your dining experience.